This is your husband. He's asleep. Really? He's sleeping. Are you sure he's sleeping? Wait. I don't think he's really sleeping.
Let me just go now.
Wait! Bring down your voice. This is my husband. I think he's pretending. Yes. I think he's pretending. You know I've been married to him for years. This is not how he stays when he's fast asleep. Yes, I don't really think he's sleeping.
Check him now. Check him, please.
Are you sure he hasn't seen us?
I don't know. Just check. Just check. Go and check him.
Shh. I don't trust him. I don't trust this man. I don't trust this sleep.
Let me just go.
Wait. I have this feeling that he saw, like, I don't know why, I just feel so.
I thought you said he traveled. What is he doing here?
That's what I thought so. I thought so too. But do you know what? I think I have a plan.
What plan do you have?
Yes. Let's go.
Sweetheart, honey, baby, when did you get back?
What is that?
I thought you were supposed to be at the airport. What happened? Why are you home?
I went to the airport only to find out that our flight was cancelled.
You should have called me now. You should have put a call across now to inform me. You didn't even call me.
Sorry, I forgot. Who is that young man?
This is the plumber guy. Yes, he actually came to fix our bathroom.
Okay.
Yes.
I can see he's with our tools.
Yeah. Yes.
I'm done already.
He said he wasn't able to fix it. That his boys are going to finish up tomorrow.
Why can't he fix it already since he's here?
I have something that I need to attend to now.
Why come in if you have something to attend to?
No, I've already done the maintenance. My boys will come to finish the work tomorrow. I have a very important appointment that I need to catch up with now.
Are you sure you are capable of this work?
Yeah, sure. That's what I've been doing for years.
Are you sure? How can we trust you with our plumbing work?
I'm very reliable, sir. I've been doing this for a long time, not today.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay,
that's fine.
Let me take my leave now.
No, excuse me.
Oh,
This is our tools.
yes,
Where are you going with it?
Sorry, your two dogs here.
Are you sure this young man is competent in this line of work?
Yes, honey, he is. He is, baby.
I am not sure.
I've been the one fixing it.
He was about living with our tools. Did you come here with any tools?
No,
That's
sorry.
a mistake.
Sorry, it was a mistake. Let me take my leave.
Excuse me. Give me a moment. I have a question.
Okay.
Sweetheart, is everything okay?
Yes. Are you married?
No, sir.
Okay, you're not married. You are still a bachelor, and do you intend to marry anytime soon?
Yeah, by the grace of God, sir.
Okay, by the grace of God. Okay. Here is my question. If you eventually get married tomorrow and your wife starts bringing men into your home, how will that make you feel? How will you feel?
I won't be happy, sir.
You will not be happy. Do you know that she's married?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
Do you know that she's married?
Yes, sir.
You know. And you followed her home. Okay, it's okay. It's okay, you can go. That would be all right for now.
I can go.
You can go.
I'm very sorry, sir. I'm really sorry.
I said you can go, young man. Oh, my baby. Honey, come and join me. Yes. Come and join me. No, you should come and join me. Why are you afraid? It's me, your husband. Come and join me. Are you afraid of your husband? Come.
I'm coming.
Why are you fidgeting?
Nothing. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm okay. Just.
Let me even get drink for us.
Huh?
Let me get drink for us.
Is this how I'm grateful? This is the end of my story, God. Oh, God, if you save me this one more time, I'll not do it again. I'll not do it again. Hey, I finished.
Whoa, my baby. Have this. Have this. I wonder why you are afraid.
No, I'm not.
Come and sit with your husband, your lovely husband. You know, this is your favorite.
Yes, it
Is
is.
everything okay? Are you sure everything is okay with you?
Everything is fine, honey.
Stop acting up.
I'm okay.
Please drink up, drink up.
Yes, drink up. Drink up. Yes. Obviously.
Babe, say you should drink up.
Yes, I'll drink.
This is good.
Yes, and it's
You're not drinking yet.
I'll drink.
Drink up.
Yes.
You're with your husband, you shouldn't be afraid.
Can I drink from you?
You want this one?
Yes.
Just feel comfortable. You are in your home.
I'm comfortable.
And you're with your husband.
I'm comfortable. So my husband.
I want you to be okay.
I'm okay.
Drink up.
I'm fine.
Drink up. Or do you want to have this one back?
Maybe I'm fine.
I don't think so. You haven't tasted your wine.
I will.
Just drink your wine. Are you afraid of something?
No. I'm not afraid. Hi.
That's not mine.
I'm relaxed. I'm relaxed actually.
I don't like this thing you're doing. You're shaking and I don't like it. You are in your home with your husband. I gave you drink and you don't want to take it.
I want.
You want to go inside?
Eh?
I want us to go inside.
Inside.
Okay, let's go inside.
Inside. Inside.
I guess you love that video you just watched. Please, thank you guys. I have been seeing your likes, your shares, and I am enjoying it. Thank you guys for always sharing, liking, and commenting on our video. I'm always on the comment section watching your comments. Thank you guys for supporting us. Without you, we will not be here. And if you're coming across our video for the first time, please don't forget to hit that follow button. It's important to us. Thank you, and we love you. God bless you all. Thank you for always engaging.